Good morning, students. I am continuing from where we left. Last lesson we have discussed questions up to 11. Now question number 12. Okay. The question number 12 is LCM is given, HCF is given. The first number is missing, that is X, and we have to find out that X, and second number is 18. We have a relation, all of you know, LCM into HCF. This is for the question number 12. LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. Here LCM is given to us. LCM is 36 and HCF is 2 is equal to first number. First number is X, second number is 18. Or we can say product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of the numbers. First number multiplied by second number. With the help of this property, we can find X. X is equal to 36 into 2 by 18. 18 and 36 cancelled, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So X is 4. So this is the option C. Okay. Next, question number 13. In a right angled triangle with right angle B, so draw a right triangle. Okay, right angled at B. The other two you can name anyway, A and C. Tan A is root 3. Tan A is root 3. So tan A can be written as root 3. You can write root 3 by 1. Tan means opposite by adjacent of the reference angle A. Here reference angle is A. According to A, the opposite side and adjacent sides are in the ratio 3:1. Okay, you can take this is 90, so its opposite is called hypotenuse. 90's opposite is called hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. And using the reference angle A, because it is given in the question, tan A is given to us. So A is the reference angle. According to reference angle A, its opposite is BC. So we can name BC is opposite of angle A. And A is adjacent is AB. So this is adjacent. So opposite you can mark as root 3. If you want, you can write root 3x also because it is a ratio. Or simply root 3 also you can write. Adjacent is 1. Using this opposite and adjacent, you can find out hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, or we can write root 3 square plus 1 square. That is 3 plus root 3 square is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Hypotenuse square is 4, so hypotenuse square is 4. Take the square root of this 4. So hypotenuse is 2. Okay, after getting this hypotenuse, you can find whatever ratios are required. You have to find cos A. This is the thing you have to find out. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Cos A. Cos means adjacent. The reference angle is A. Okay. According to the reference angle A, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. The adjacent of reference angle A is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. When it is reference angle changes, in the second case, it is cos C. Okay, you can remember this sine, cos, tan like this using this mnemonic. So, ka, to, a. Yes, for sine, sine means opposite by adjacent, but with respect to the reference angle, what is mentioned? In this case, A is the reference angle. When A is the reference angle, A is opposite and A is adjacent, you have to take. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. adjacent of the reference angle. Here reference angle is C. So the adjacent is changing to root 3. So root 3 by 2. Minus sine A. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse based on the reference angle A. Reference angle A is there, so its opposite is root 3 and hypotenuse is steady all the time, it is 2. Into sine C. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. From here you can remember sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite to C is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. So you will get root 3 by 4 and minus here also root 3 by 4. So the final result is 0. So this is the option. There is another way by which we can do the same question. You know, whenever you are getting the results like root 3, okay, tan A is root 3. This root 3 is a value which you know from the table, okay, trigonometric table for some specific angles we studied. When you study about sine, cos, tan, in the tan's line, if for a certain angle you are getting tan is root 3 for 60 degree. Okay, so we can write angle A is 60 degree. And you can construct the triangle. Okay, just draw it. C is mentioned 90. Okay, C is not there. B is mentioned 90. And A we got just now, it is 60. Then we know the third angle is 30. So we got all the angles and using this 60 and 30, also we can find cos A. That means cos A is 60, cos 60, cos C. C is the second one, C is 30, minus sine 60 and sine 30. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 from the table, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Here also you can see the same products before and after the minus sign. So the result is 0. Okay, in both the cases we are getting the same answer. Okay, next way. Question number 14. In question number 14, the triangle ABC in which 1 is to 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1 is to 2 are the ratios of the angles. And the largest angle is C. Okay, so we can say C is 2. So we can take A is to B is to C is 1 is to 2 is to 3. No, 1 is to 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1 is to 2. Let angle A is equal to 1x, angle B is equal to again 1x, angle C is 2x. And we know the sum of A plus B plus C, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So this sum, that is 4x is equal to 180 and x is 180 by 4. It is 45. X is 45 means the first angle is 45, second is also 45, third is 90. So C is here 90 and A is 45, B is also 40. After this, we can find sec A by cosec B, tan A by cot B. We know A and B both are 45. So these given what is to find out, we can replace A and B with 45 degrees. Sec 45 by cosec 45 by minus tan 45 by cot 45. And you know sec 45 is the reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So sec 45 is root 2 by cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sine 45. It is also 1 by root 2. Its reciprocal is root 2. Tan 45 is 1. Cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan 45. It is also 1. So we get root 2 gets cancelled. It is 1 minus here also 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. Okay. Now 15th question. Yes, 15th question. The number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius 0.7 meter in rolling a distance of 176 meter. Whenever a wheel is in the shape of a circle, when a wheel moves or rotates or rolling on a road, in one rotation or one round, it will cover a distance equal to its circumference. It will cover a distance. That distance is equal to the circumference. So what is the distance this wheel has covered in one rolling or one revolution? We can say the distance covered in one round. Distance covered in one rolling or one rolling is equal to circumference. Here it is given radius of the circle is 0.7 meter. This question you can see in the first exercise of your textbook. It is 2 pi r. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 0.7 meter. 7 and 0.7 gets cancelled. It is 0.1. It is the product is 4.4 meter. In one round, the wheel covers a distance 4.4 meter. And it is to cover a total distance of 176 meter. Okay, 176 meter it has to cover. In one round, 4.4 meter. So how many rollings are required to cover a distance of 176 meter? So we can directly find like this number of revolutions or number of rollings required is equal to total distance to be covered or total distance covered by distance covered in one round. Distance covered in one round or one roll. It is 176 meter. Here, luckily, both units are same. Otherwise, you have to change the units. Both the units should be same. Then you can remove the point by multiplying with 10 in the numerator and denominator. Then 176 into 10, you can write like that into 10. By this 10 will multiply 4.4, it will become 44. Meter, both meters are getting cancelled. 44 fours are 176. 4 into 10, it is 40 rollings or 40 revolutions or 40 rounds the wheel had made. Okay. This is the answer. In question number 16, you can see the two triangles are similar. It is given here. If two triangles are similar, what are the properties you should know? One triangle is ABC, the other triangle is DEF. When they are similar, what is the meaning of two triangles are similar? Is their shapes are same. Okay, the first of all, their shapes are same, but sizes may not be same. So what are the properties we are using in similar triangles? The first property is that the ratio of corresponding sides. How do we come to know the corresponding sides? We look at the first letter, that is A. A is mapping to D. B, okay, you can see the verticals are same. B is the second letter, it is mapping to E. Okay, the left corners. And C is the third letter which maps to F, that is the right corners. Okay, like that you have to mark. Then if two triangles are similar, okay, what are the properties we are using is the ratio of corresponding sides, like AB. Okay, this is the side AB. Like that, the second figure has DE, so we can write if two triangles are similar, it is given here, they are similar, so we can write AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. It means, suppose the first side is halved, then every side is halved. Okay, if one side is doubled, every side is doubled. That is the meaning of ratios are equal. Is equal to BC by EF. Okay, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, and it is also adding like this. It is also equal to ratio of corresponding altitudes if altitudes are drawn. Okay, ratio of corresponding altitudes are also equal to the ratio of corresponding sides, and also it is equal to the ratio of corresponding medians, corresponding angle by bisectors, it goes on. And here it is not required, and here we need perimeters ratio. If two triangles are similar, okay, you can do by different ways. Here it is given AB is 3, AB is 3, and DE. It is not given in this question, so we can just write DE, okay, is equal to AC, or it is given CA. CA is 2.5 by DF. DF is not given in this question, so we can write DF simply is equal to BC is given, BC is 2, and EF is given at the end of this. You can see EF is 4. So this last portion we can simplify. It tells, okay, it tells like this. It is half. Means whatever is the top side, its double is the bottom side. You can take it like that. So here it is 2.5 in the numerator. So this DF should be its double, that is 5. Okay, if it is 3, its double is DE, so it should be 6. So we got all the sides of the second triangle. DE is 6 and DF is 5 and EF is already given. Don't use this 2, okay? EF is already given, it is 4 because we have simplified and made it 1 by 2. And what is the perimeter of a triangle? You know, the sum of all sides of a triangle is called the perimeter. So what is the sum of 6 plus 6, 4 and 5? It is 15. 15 is the perimeter. Okay, this is the perimeter. Understood? Yes. Next question. Question number 17. Okay, look at the diagram. Okay, from the question itself we can solve. Here they are asking about DE. Okay, and also it is told this DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Okay, these are the two things. One thing is what is asked here. They asked us to find DE. Whenever they are speaking about DE and BC, they are the base of the triangles, okay, which are visible here. Whenever they are asking about this DE or BC, you have to do by similarity. Don't use basic proportionality. If you use basic proportionality, you will get AD, DB, AE, EC, AB, AC. Only on the lateral sides, what is there? That only we will get. We won't get the base like DE and BC. So if whenever the question is about the bases DE and BC, you have to use similarity. Okay. So how do we use similarity in this? It is very easy. This D is parallel to BC and you count these two triangles. One triangle is ADE. The second triangle is the full triangle ABC. And prove these two triangles similar. It is very easy to prove them similar. Angle A is a common angle for both the triangles and angle D is equal to angle B. Okay, so we can write triangle ADE is similar to, you know, A is a common angle for the big triangle also. So A is here as the first letter. For the second triangle also, the first letter is A. because A is common. Like D, the corresponding angle is B. D is the second letter in the first triangle, so its corresponding will be B in the big triangle. And one letter is remaining, that is C. So the triangles are similar like this. Then you can write the ratio. And here it is given AD is 3, BD is given as 4. So what is the length of AB? Length of AB is 7 because 3 plus 4 is 7. BC is given 14. Then what is the length of DE? We have to find DE. Write the ratio of corresponding sides. It is AD by AD is the first two letter. Its corresponding side is AB. AD by AB is equal to DE, last two letters, DE by BC. You can take AE also. AE, first and last letter. Here first and last is AC. But A is not given, EC is not given, AC is not given. So you don't have to use this last portion. AD's value is given in the question. AD is in the question itself, it is 3. And AB we have calculated using 4 and 3. AB is 7. DE is to find. BC is given as 14. Okay. You can cancel this 7 and 14. It is 2. Cross multiply 2 and 3. It is 6. So DE is equal to 6. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Next, go to 18th question. 4 tan beta. It is given 4 tan beta is equal to 3. Whenever a question is relating to tan and the what is we have to find, it is in the form of a fraction in which sine, cos are in the numerator and denominator with the same coefficients. Only difference is minus plus in the numerator. You can see minus and plus. The rest all are same. In such type of questions, we can do very easily like this. 4 sine beta. This is we have to find 3 cos beta by 4 sine beta plus 3 cos beta. Here you can see one more beautiful thing. It is 4 is also with tan and sine. Okay, the denominator is also having 4 is with sine. And you all know what is tan means. Tan means sine by cos is equal to 3. Okay, there are many ways. One way is divide the numerator and denominator by cos beta. Divide by cos beta. Why we divide by cos beta? Because tan beta means sine beta by cos beta. Here cos beta is down. So that's why we divide by cos beta. Individually divide every term. Okay, divide the first term by cos beta. So 4 sine beta by cos beta, sine beta by cos beta. It is like this. 4 sine beta by cos beta minus 3 cos beta by cos beta. So the first term is fully divided by cos beta. Second term is also divided by cos beta. The same thing you do in the new denominator also. 4 sine beta by cos beta plus 3 cos beta by cos beta. So cos beta gets cancelled in both the numerator and denominator second term. In first term, you are getting sine beta by cos beta. And you know what is the value of 4 sine beta by cos beta? Its value is here. It is 3. So you can directly write the answer for this first portion is completely 3. 3 minus 3. What is 3 minus 3? All of you know 3 minus 3 is 0. Whatever is happening in the denominator doesn't matter. So 0 by anything. The answer goes to 0.